Well, it was a high-profile Hollywood fight between two stars that involved everything from allegations of sexual harassment to claims of a widespread smear campaign.
But tonight, Justin Baldoni's $400 million defamation lawsuit has been dismissed by a judge right here in New York.
Entertainment reporter Joelle Gargiulo joins us now with details. So is this now over, Joelle?
As I'm learning, that is a complicated question these days. I will just say that the heated battle between the co-stars of the film It Ends With Us began back in December, and after a back and forth that dominated the headlines for months, as it turns out, part of this legal drama could end with the judge.
When It Ends With Us hit theaters in August of last year, few could have predicted the drama that would play out off screen.
It's a big moment.
Sure is. Thank you so much for your service business.
What does this latest court ruling mean?
So the judge gutted Justin's lawsuit mostly on First Amendment grounds, saying that Blake's complaints about him are protected speech, so he can't sue her for it.
To understand how the legal drama of It Ends With Us began, let's backtrack. August 9th, the film is released.
15 seconds. That's all it takes to completely change everything.
Soon after, speculation of a potential rift begins as Baldoni and Lively do not do press together. Then things get a bit more complicated as past interviews that portray Lively in a negative light start to resurface online. Fast forward to December 20th, Lively files an initial complaint against Baldoni, accusing him of sexual harassment on the set of the film, and says Baldoni orchestrated a smear campaign against her. A New York Times article detailed the allegation. December 31st, Baldoni sues the New York Times. The same day, Lively formalizes her initial complaint into a lawsuit against him. Then, on January 16th, Baldoni sues Lively, her publicist, and Ryan Reynolds for civil extortion and defamation. Back and forth has been playing out ever since.
So does the drama surrounding It Ends With Us in the courtroom end with this?
This case might end with this, and really both of them have been dealt fatal blows by this judge. So I'm anticipating without much left to either of their cases that they're going to have to resolve or walk away from it.
In a statement, Lively's attorney said today's opinion is a total victory and a complete vindication for Blake Lively, adding, "We have said from day one this $400 million lawsuit was a sham, and the court saw right through it."
The judge ruled that Baldoni can file an amended complaint, but must do so by June 23rd. So far, no comment from the actor or his team. I'll send it back to you.